This is just a quick and simple guide on how to apply Loctite. So here I have Loctite 243. Loctite 243 thread locker is probably the most common one that you will see. It's medium strength and it's very general purpose. So I use this. So here's how you use it. You take off the cap, pull this up, then on your screw, apply just a little bit, maybe a little bit more. That's about enough, and that's it. So once again, just squeeze a little bit. That's enough. That's more than enough. And when you close this, make sure that this is empty, okay? Once it's empty, then you push it down. Again, you want to make sure this is empty. Otherwise, when you push it down, it's gonna shoot out a bunch of glue. Don't ask me how I know. That's it. Loctite 243. Very easy.